And today we have a new game called
Soggy Doggy.
The Showering, Shaking, Wet Doggy Game. Also, this toy needs 3 AA batteries, just for your information. This is ages 4 and up, 2 to 4 players. And we can see the doggy right here. It's amazing. And on the back it says, race around the board, wash Soggy Doggy. If he shakes, it's back to the start. So it's a board game and also a caution game, so you have to be careful of the thing, which is the doggy. The contents: 1 Soggy Doggy, a doggy frame, bathtub, game board, 4 game pieces, 4 tokens, 1 die, and instructions. So are you ready? And let's open this amazing set up.
And now I've set.
Game up. Okay, and here we go.
Doggy.
Oh, here he is. Oh, wow. He actually has a very nice texture. It's nice.
Are you okay?
We have the
He's
bathtub.
okay.
We have the game board. And we also have the instructions in English and French. So now we took out all the pieces. We're going to start building. So how we build? We take these 2 pieces and put it on the bottom of the bathtub. Okay. And now we're gonna put the Soggy Doggy on this huge piece that practically is his body. Yep. Oh my god. It's a dog. There we go. And last but not least, the shower. So then we will connect it on the back. So where we put the AA batteries? On the bottom. Also there is a switch. The switch to power the game. And now we are done assembling. How we play. So we have a dice and there is a game board. So yes, we go counterclockwise. So we start here and we continue all the way around. So of course there are going to be colors. There are red, there are yellow, pink, blue, and red. And we also have a die with those colors. But if you hit the question mark, you get to roll again. And if you hit the paw, you get to go in front of the other player you're playing against. So if he's in front of you or she, you get to go in front of them. But if they are behind you, you have to go in front of the person behind you. Because if you're in first, it's gonna be fair. Here's the challenge. If you land on a bone and I got 1, I'm gonna twist this faucet 1 time. But if I land on a paw, then I get to push it the amount of times it says. And it showers the dog. But if you turn this, the dog will start shaking at any time. Yep. And here are your landmarks. So you use these to mark your place. So we have a pink bone, blue rubber ducky, yellow soap, and a red paw. And we put the water inside the bathtub. Nothing much. The main point is to go all the way to the start and back without the dog, without Soggy Doggy shaking on your turn. I hope it doesn't shake on my turn.
You forgot the water.
And I'm gonna put the water. And we are going to put it. Oops. I don't even know if I'm putting it.
Yeah.
I am? Okay. I feel like that's enough.
Yeah. It did it.
Okay, Jimmy, which player do you want? You are going to take the yellow soap. So put it at the start.
I can't say this.
Okay, do you want me to put it? And I'm gonna take the pink since it's my favorite color. And also, another rule that all games apply to is youngest first. Fine. I'm gonna agree with that. So Jimmy, roll the die. Blue. Do you want me to do it for you until it gets like somewhere in your area?
Yeah.
Okay. So you land on a bone. Uh-oh, you have to push it and you have to do it once. Oh wait, you have to turn it like this. Okay, that's it. So now, no, you did it once. I got red. So I am in front of Jimmy and I have to push it 2 times. Oh no. I'm going back to the start. This is gonna be hard going.
I want to salad.
Your turn.
I want a salad.
Red. Boop. Do it twice. Okay, you did it twice. Now it's my turn. Oop. I got the paw. So I get to go in front of Jimmy since he is in front of me, and I actually get the paw. And I get to push it twice to shower the doggy. 1, 2. Beautiful, and it is your turn. You got a paw. Oh no. You got the bone, and you have to press it twice. You have to turn it twice. Uh-oh. Oh! How? Okay, that's amazing. Bro, that is amazing. Okay, my turn. I got red. Oh no, I got the bone twice. No, I don't want to go to the back. I'm so betrayed. Your turn. What did you get? What did you get, Toby? Oh, you have to go. You have to go behind. You have to go in front of me. So since I'm at the start, Jimmy needs to go in front of me. And since I'm not in front of him, he needs to go all the way to the back. But you're still not at the start. You're 1 step ahead of me, okay? And also Jimmy, he got the bone twice. So turn the bone. Okay, it's like, so, and then turn it and then again. Okay, you did great. Now it is my turn. And I got the paw. Oh, I'm so lucky. So I got the paw and I get to push the button once. And it is your turn. You got red. Oh, ooh. You have to turn it twice. Okay, turn it. Okay, so Jimmy lost. He has to go to the start, and I hope he does not get the paw. Oh no. Okay, my turn. I got the question mark, so I get to roll again. And I got red. And that means I have to turn the bone twice. 1, 2.
I give up. I give up.
And since this game is gonna take a long time, and we have Baby Jade with us here, so I think you got the main idea. And this is the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed this amazing Soggy Doggy game. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video, and goodbye.